long range. Long range is almost like in between medium and long range, okay? So this is like long range. You're out of range when you can't touch nobody. Here, I'm kind of like, I'm at the edge of long range and middle range. Because remember, we take our half step jabs and stuff. We got to fix this stuff too. Because I see with most guys, we got to jump in with our jabs. We're doing this here. That's good, but that's more like a power jab, okay? Because I'm putting my weight forward. If I'm doing a half jab, I'm outside long range, almost get to middle range right here where I can touch them, and I use my half step here to get in and out, okay? If I jump in with both feet, there's no reason to jump back out, okay? Because once you're in there with both feet, you might go ahead and start fighting, right? So we use our half step. So right here, we here. We just outside of half step range. So from here, I can come from here, half step. I don't bring both feet. I'm taking a half step. So I know this is middle, long to middle. Here, pop. This is why we got to learn how to throw our punches straight. Keep it straight here, pop. I don't want to get right